Hey, welcome back to my channel, Chef Edward Cooking, and I'm going to show you how to make coffee with a French press. Okay, what you'll need is, I have a pan right here, and I have 20 ounces of filtered water. So, you want to use filtered water, especially with coffee, because then you're going to have the full notes of the coffee beans versus when you have water out of a tap. It has additional minerals that you'll taste, but you want the purity of filtered water with your coffee. So what we're going to do, we're going to heat up our water. We're going to bring it to a simmer. So it's going to be at least 200 degrees before we add it to our French press. So I'm going to heat up the water. And next, I have coffee beans. Now, this is a medium roast. I like a dark roast as well. So the difference is with a light roast, you're going to have more caffeine in it. And basically, the longer the coffee bean actually cooks, the darker it is, and the more flavor you have out of the coffee bean. So if you want more flavor, a little bit more bitterness, you get a darker roast. If you like more caffeine, you will want a lighter roast coffee bean. So, but if you want in between, you have a little bit more caffeine, a little bit more flavor, I would go with the medium roast. So, we're going to put it in our coffee grinder. Yep. I should have picked a different container. Alrighty, so we're going to grind it. Okay, so what you want to do is actually pulse our coffee grinder. So by pulsing it, you're going to have the whole thing ground more evenly. So if you just have it run, basically the bottom is going to get filled up with grounds and the top part is going to still be chunky with your beans. So that's why you pulse it. When you pulse it, it actually helps mix all the beans together. So you have one even ground. Alrighty. So this is our grounds right here. So what you're looking for with the coffee grounds is, as you can see, it's all evenly. There's no big chunks or anything like that. So what I'm going to do is we're going to add our coffee grounds to our French press. Now, what I like about French presses is if you have time, you could just let the hot water steep in with our coffee grounds, and the stronger it becomes. So, and also you have more of the flavor of the coffee in our French press. So, okay. So we are waiting for our water to come to a simmer. Okay, as you can see, our water has come to a simmer. Now what we're going to do, we're going to add our water to our French press. We're going to add our water to our French press. Now, the important step right here is we are not going to press down our French press yet. We are going to wait at least 5 minutes. So we're going to just have as you can see, there's a fine mesh right here. We're just going to leave it on top. We're not going to push it fully down at all. We're just going to leave it on the top, and we're going to let it steep for at least 5 minutes, or you could have it steep a little longer if you like it stronger. Okay, so our coffee has been steeping for the last 5 minutes. So now what you do is you want to press down the filter down. Now you have this beautiful coffee ready to drink. So what I like to do is have some creamer with mine. You could have it without, And here we go. And here we have it. We have our coffee made with our French press. Okay, now, cheers. That's really good. If you'd like to see more recipes like these, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Now it's your turn. Thank you.